Captain Spotlight is Fabian.
All right. Thank you. All right. Don't rock the boat, baby. Don't tip the boat over. Don't rock the boat, baby. Ever since our voyage of life began, your touch has thrilled me like the rush of the wind. Your arms have held me safe from a rolling sea. There's always been a quiet place to harbor you and me. Our love is like a ship on the ocean. We've been sailing with a cargo full of love and devotion. All right. Up to now we've sailed through every storm. Always had your tender lips to keep me warm. Oh, I need to have the strength that flows from you. Don't let me drift away, my dear. Love can see me through. Our love is like a ship on the ocean. We've been sailing with a cargo full of love and devotion. Woman, take me in your arms and rock me, baby. Oh. Woman, take me in those arms and rock me, baby. Oh. Hold me in those arms and love me, baby. Woman, hold me in your arms and rock me, baby. Right now, come on, hey. Woman, hold me in those arms, love me, baby. Come on. Woman, hold me in your arms and rock me, baby. To know where you got the notion that you could part the sea and raise a commotion, causing our love affair to drown in the ocean. Yes, I'd like to know where you got the notion. Oh, come on. Don't rock the boat, baby. Don't tip the boat over. Don't rock the boat, baby. Don't tip the boat over. Don't rock the boat, baby. Rock me, ho, ho. My two lovely girls, Nancy Birdman and Jose Ryan. All right. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Fabian.